Welcome back, traders. I hope you're having a wonderful weekend. It's Sunday and we're doing a weekly outlook as usual. Like and subscribe to help out my channel. It means a lot to me. And join my Telegram channel if you want to stay up to date on a regular basis. And now let's dive into the charts. Let's take a quick look at the monthly time frame on the S&P 500 E-mini futures. So as we already discussed, we're rejecting this monthly order block. I don't know how much times I already said it, but we're rejecting this monthly order block still and showing some bullish price action again after last week's price action. We have an inefficiently traded price range right here marked out with this pink box. And you can see price filled it again, which makes it a balanced price range now. And this should provide support on the weekly and daily chart, which you will see in a few minutes. And we're still looking for a run higher into the buy side liquidity. On the weekly time frame, you can see we have this monthly balanced price range right here. Price traded into it last week on Thursday, I think, and then we rejected higher on Friday. You can see we have also a little volume imbalance right here. It's tiny, but this is also an area of support from which price rallied at the end. And you can see the mean threshold of the daily order block, which we outlined in last week's outlook. We have clean equal highs right here, and the buy side liquidity, the monthly high right here. So next week I anticipate a run higher above the buy side liquidity. I think next week it won't reach the buy side liquidity. I think probably we will take out this buy side liquidity pool on the NFP week, which is in 2 weeks. So with NFP, these highs should be gone, in my opinion. Now let's look at the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, you can see in the first 4 days it looked like a classic Tuesday high of the week. Price ran higher. Tuesday created the high of the week, and then Wednesday and Thursday rallied lower. It was only trading into this bullish order block on on Friday. I thought we would trade lower to take out this low, probably, but then price showed no willingness to trade lower, so I took a long on Friday, which I posted in my Telegram channel. So what we can expect for next week is our bias is still bullish. We haven't reached this, we haven't broken this low. As I always said, once we break this low, it will probably take out the sell side liquidity right here, but it never did, so our bias is still bullish. Also, we have another daily balanced price range inside the monthly balanced price range, as you can see. So a double area of support. What I expect for next week is that Monday we have no news releases coming out, which you will see in 1 minute once we get to the once we get to the economic calendar. You can see on Monday we have no news releases, so it could stay inside a small consolidation and move nowhere. And I anticipate a fair value gap to form between this high of the candle and the low of the month on the Monday's candle. The only thing that could worry an indices trader is that Dow Jones is so weak on the daily time frame. You can see we have this sell side liquidity pool with all the lows, but I think it just traded below the rejection block and into a discount array coupled with the volume imbalance. And now we saw a bullish reaction after taking out all the liquidity below the candle bodies, which hold the most of the volume inside a candle. And now we're heading upwards again. Of course, you need to watch out for this breaker right here. This down close candle is a bearish breaker, so watch out for this and see how it behaves at this level. But because we're bullish on S&P 500 and also Nasdaq, they seem quite strong compared to the Dow Jones. I still believe Dow Jones will catch up. maybe not go above this high, but I think there's still some potential to the upside for the Dow Jones. Now we are looking at the economic calendar. As I said, Monday, no news releases, so kind of a low probability trading day compared to Tuesday and Thursday and Friday also. On Tuesday, I would wait for 10 a.m. news release to pass and then look for a setup as usual. Wednesday could be a high probability setup at 9:30 with the opening bell. Going into Thursday, we have another high impact news release at 8:30 and at 10 a.m. a medium one. I always wait for the news releases to pass before I enter a trade. So we would also wait for 10 a.m. news release to pass, and then we will look for a setup. The same thing on Friday, wait for 10 a.m. Even if we have high impact news at 8:30, you will just get a much clearer picture of the market and you won't get caught up in a manipulation which could result in slippage and whatever, losing money in general. I chose the classic Tuesday low of the week weekly range profile from ICT. All the concepts which are mentioned in this video and the way I trade is everything can be found on ICT's YouTube channel, The Inner Circle Trader. Check him out. I learned everything from him. I'm grateful that he provides free content and everything. So it's a bullish profile, of course, because our higher time frame direction is bullish. It's a manipulation template. It hovers above a higher time frame discount array. Monday then drops into the higher time frame discount array on Tuesday to form the low of the week. So I anticipate a drop lower on Tuesday with the high impact news release in our discount arrays. In one of them, will it be the fair value gap or the balanced price range? How to anticipate this profile? You need to know the higher time frame discount arrays, and when the market fails to drop into that array, odds are Tuesday will likely see the drive lower, Tuesday, London, or New York session. So wait for Tuesday for a high probability setup and you will be good to go. Of course, my bias can change if we, for example, gap lower on Monday's opening, and then the situation could change in a few seconds and we will have a different view on the market. And that's why I recommend you to join my Telegram channel, where I will update you on a regular basis. And also I will be providing live sessions on YouTube this week for only 1 week, live streams, at least like 2 to 3 times this week. I will do a live session at 9:30 a.m. Eastern time or 10 a.m. Eastern time. But just join my Telegram channel. Everything will be announced there, when and where. And that's it with the video, guys. It was a quick and nice weekly outlook. We have a beautiful week ahead of us. I hope you enjoyed this video. We will see us in the marketplace. Stay safe, trade safe. Have a great weekend. Bye.